Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a new product that just launched at Ulta. They have it online and in some stores, and it is the Remove and Chill Nail Polish Eraser Cream. It looks like this, comes in this little bag, and I thought it would be really fun to try this on camera, see how it works, if it does work. It claims that you have great nails and it has a great smell. So one thing I hate about traditional nail polish remover is that the smell is just so overwhelming and it gives me a headache. It's just unpleasant. I think everyone can agree for the most part it's an unpleasant smell. So the fact that this was an eraser cream got me so intrigued, so I wanted to share this on camera and we are going to see how this works. So the product looks like this. I think it has really cute packaging, and it also came with this little postcard. It says, apply a thick layer of the cream on your nail plate. Don't make it penetrate. Leave the cream to effect on your nails. 1 minute for every nail polish layer, 3 minutes if you're using a base and top coat system. Relax and chill. First massage, then remove the cream with a dry cotton pad or tissue. Use on any regular nail polish. Doesn't work on shellac or gel nails. On here it does say to wash your hands after you've used it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into using the product. I have two types of cotton pads here I'm going to try. I have like your traditional cotton rounds here, and then I also have some of the OPI Expert Touch, the lint-free wipes, just to see if the lint in this one would catch in the cream, or to kind of see how that works. I'm not sure if one will work better than the other, but I thought it would be fun to see if there's a difference. I'm wearing the Orly rubberized base coat with 2 coats of the H&M Go-To Greige polish and then a top coat by the Séché Vite. So I'm definitely going to be using the 3 minutes recommendation since I do have a few layers of nail polish on. So first step, apply a thick layer of the cream on your nail plate. Don't make it penetrate. So it looks like I just put it on there, leave it for 3 minutes. And then after that, I'll massage it in. I don't know how much to do. It's so weird. Okay, so this side we'll use traditional cotton rounds. I'm just going to put a thick layer like it says. I'm not going to do anything but just leave it for 3 minutes. And let's smell it. Oh yeah, it does have a pleasant scent. It smells kind of like a fruity, flowery, more on the fruity side, like a bubble wash, body wash that you would get. Okay, so the time is currently 11:33, so around 11:36, 11:37, I'll massage this in, and then I will take it off with my traditional cotton pad here. It has been 3 to 4-ish minutes. It's 11:37, and I'm going to take this off by massaging it with like a cotton pad and just seeing what happens. Okay, I'm definitely having to kind of scrub at my nail, and these fuzzy things are kind of getting everywhere. So is the cream. So here is where I'm at currently. I'm still working on getting the polish off of this nail, so I'm going to keep going at it. Haven't touched these ones. I'm tempted to just kind of like massage these ones and let it set while I work on this one. But I'm going to follow the directions, so I'm just going to not do that. And I'm getting it all over my hands right now. So normally whenever I remove polish, I usually use the Zoya nail polish remover. Whenever I use that one, I can usually get away with using one cotton pad, one hand, but sometimes I can even do like 2 hands with just that. It is coming off, but I am having to work at it. You can see where the cream was setting, it did wipe off really easily. So I think in the future, I would have spread this around to the nail all the way and just kind of like maybe even brush it on with just a little brush or something, and I'm getting it everywhere. That way it would come off more easily than having to sit here and scrub. It would just kind of sit there. The product would sit there and then just take it off. So I'm going to come back to that one and see if that is the case. Okay, so I finished cleaning this hand with the nail polish remover, and it is now 11:45, so it took me about 8 to 10 minutes really to clean one hand. And there definitely was some work to be done. They do feel like I can still feel that cream on there, so I will have to wash them off. This is what my other hand looks like over here. So it's looking a little rough. Some of that cream just kind of fell off, and then I have all the little fuzzies from the cotton pads. I ended up having to use 2 cotton pads to get it off of this side. This is just the standard cotton pad. And now I'm going to go wash my hands off, and then we're going to do the same thing with the other side with the lint-free cotton pads to see how that works out. Okay, so I'm going to start the next one. It is currently 11:48, so I'm going to put this on here. And I'm just going to do the same thing I did on the other side because I want it to be a fair review. Okay, it's 11:52 now, as you can see, and I am going to go ahead and start taking off this side with the lint-free wipe from OPI. My first thoughts are, as I'm removing it, the cream, it says to apply a thick layer, but I almost feel like it's too thick. Like I actually need to like put an even layer across my nail plate and let it set for the full 3-ish minutes versus just putting like a blob on there. So I'm working on this nail right here, which is the one that I kind of like let it set evenly across. So let's see how it does. I definitely think it's better, but it's still not taking off all the polish like all together. There's still little bits and pieces that are remaining behind. I definitely preferred using the lint-free wipes. I did have to use a couple more. There are 3 here. I barely use this one. It's just kind of get off some of the extra bits and pieces. And the other one I had to use 2, but I definitely felt like it was less messy or like that kind of like icky, like fuzzy feeling sticking all over to my fingers. So I preferred the lint-free wipes. It does say you can use it with the tissue too. I imagine it would be very similar to using something like this. My final thoughts on this product are, it is a pass for me. I think it's a really innovative product. I think it's really cool. I love that it doesn't have that piercing nail polish remover smell. And I also love that it's super portable. You could easily throw this in your bag or purse, take it to school or work, wherever you may be, and take off your nail polish, and it's just going to smell like you're putting on an inviting hand cream versus a horrible toxic smell that everyone recognizes the second you start to take off nail polish. Yeah guys, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed taking off nail polish with me, and if you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned for my next one. All right, bye guys.